Good morning. It is 7:35 and I just made myself a coconut milk cappuccino latte, one of the two. I think it's more of a cappuccino. And I woke up with this idea, but it's not really an idea, it's a practice of sitting in the void. And I know that I've given you a couple of meditations, and I also know that some of you prefer guided meditations, which is why I want to give you this practice. And it's called sitting in the void. And really what that means is sitting in silence. Sitting in silence with the deepest vastness of yourself. You know, I think so much of our lives is really filled up. When we feel that void, we open an app, or we make something to eat or drink, or we exercise. I mean, we go and do something that fills up the void. And the practice that I'm offering you here is to sit with the void and actually to sit in it. Like to be with the vastness, the void, the obsession, the discomfort, the emptiness, the loneliness, whatever, Glennon Doyle calls it the white hot loneliness, I think. To like really sit in it and remember that there's no substitution for silence. And if you're on this soul path, which you wouldn't be watching this if you weren't, if you're on a soul path, you must learn how to sit with yourself. You must learn how to sit in the void. You must learn how to be in silence, because it's those places that really allow the deepest insights and downloads and intuitive guidance and connection with spirit. It's that space that creates the availability for you to receive like magical experiences like that. So whether if it's just a couple of minutes or 20 minutes, it doesn't have to be the same amount every day. I'm not a fan of rigidity. I'm a fan of consistency, but showing up consistently and checking in, and sometimes even I'll tell myself, I have to like trick myself, like I'm just gonna sit for a minute, and then it feels so good that I stay, or I get a hold of something and I stay. And you don't have to be in stillness. Sometimes, any kind of intuitive movement or release or sound can be really helpful. But the point is to really sit with it. Like to sit with it on purpose, to meet those like really powerful places in you, like the ones that make you want to run. If you want to run, you're doing it right, basically. So I'm going to leave you with that practice. I'm sending you guys so much love, and good morning. And have a delicious day.